Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust volume without pressing volume button on Infinix Smart 8. Okay guys, so if you have a problems with the volume button on your cell phone, then you don't need to be worried because you can adjust the volume without using the volume button. And how to do that is quite easy, and now I will show you how to do it. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then here you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration. Okay, and the stop, now you can adjust the volume of media, alarm, notification without pressing volume button guys. So if your volume button are broken, then you can use this method guys. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to adjust volume without volume button on Infinix Smart 8, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss another interesting video from this channel. And thank you so much for watching.